very excited to be here. We got a little more decorations up and we're getting there. I'm so excited. I need to put this shelf, I think maybe up here. I think that might work. Yeah, so we're gonna see what we got in my Sephora play box today, and we're gonna do some makeup, of course. So this month's box, you get the little form that tells you all the products and everything. You get your extra 50 points. Anywho, you get extra 50 points in each box, and you get this cute little pamphlet that tells you all the products, a little blurb about them, and all of that. It doesn't tell you how much they are, which I kind of wish they would. So we're going to see what we got in our Sephora bag this month, and I've already peeked because, let's face it, I have no willpower. I think I might like it. It's the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Bourbon perfume. So, like, this is what the bottle looks like. I'm assuming they give you a sample. You always usually get a fragrance sample in your Sephora box. And the next thing I'm kind of excited about, it's like a lip topper. So these are the Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Glosses. I love the packaging of these. Like, these are what the actual ones look like, and they're super cute. I love Urban Decay anyway. They always have, like, crazy cute packaging. And it has 20 different shades that you can get. So these are all the different shades. This is the one that I'm assuming is included in our box. It's called SPL. It just says Shiny Cushiony Color. This is the holy grail of glosses. Our ultra shiny formula glides on, cushiony soft, and provides long-lasting wear that's comfortable, not tacky, and it's laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil. Ooh, which means it's going to have that tingly feel. You guys know how I feel about that tingly feel. Our hydrating formula nourishes, has plumping effect, and comes in a yummy vanilla mint flavor. Okay, so we're going to try this out today when we get our makeup on. I wouldn't necessarily, it's like a pink glitter, so I wouldn't necessarily use this as like an actual, I mean, you could use it as just a gloss, but it's going to be clear. Oh yeah, it's super pepperminty. So we might use this as like a topper after we do like a gloss or something that's a little more pigmented, and then put this on top, and it'll be pretty and shiny. The next thing, and a lot of these that came in, well, not a lot, I think just like one. Yeah, okay, so just this one. I haven't heard of this brand. It's Dr. Dennis Gross. It says fight wrinkles while you sleep, ferulic and retinol wrinkle recovery peel. So I am all about the chemical exfoliants and everything. So I'm really excited to try these. Okay, so Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint. So the only thing that makes me cautious about this is that it's a skin tint, which makes me think it's like a BB cream, like a tinted moisturizer, and not a foundation. It's in the shade 08, which I actually think would match me pretty well. But they give you a pretty generous amount. And I don't know if it'll let me, oh yeah, it's like already open. So this might be nice for like lighter days. So I might keep it and give it a whirl. Okay, so the next thing is from Kiehl's, and it's a Dermatologist Solutions Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. So I believe this is just like something for wrinkles, like an anti-wrinkle kind of serum. It says a fan favorite anti-wrinkle treatment full of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, which is awesome for getting moisture into your skin. I want to see the consistency. So it's just like a light, yeah, it's really light. It's not a moisturizer. It's more of a serum. So you'd put this on like before your moisturizer. So I'm going to give this a whirl. It's all about skincare this month. Not all about, but a lot of it was, and even this is. So the last thing in here is a Purity Made Simple moisturizer. So ultra lightweight moisturizer with vitamins and antioxidants and natural oil. Well, I love lighter moisturizers for during the day. Lately, I've actually been mixing in an oil with my moisturizer. Now I've been using, I really like the Clinique moisture for oily skin. And it's just a really nice light day moisturizer, and it works really well for me for during the day. But I think I'm actually going to use everything in this box this month, which is, that's cute. It's awesome. $10 a month, and you get to try out all the high-end products, and it's pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about this month. So let's do some makeup. All right, so I'm gonna try and maybe use, ooh, maybe I could put these two together. So I'm gonna try and use this because I didn't use it in my video the other day. It's the lip product that I got in my BoxyCharm. All right, so we're gonna try this out. I am gonna prime my face. I'm going to spritz a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, which I feel like is kind of the same as my Smashbox Primer Water. It's just very hydrating to the skin. Let's use our Kane and Austin. Has SPF in it, keeps us protected. It gets rid of some of the redness, which will help if we're going to use a more natural-esque foundation today. I'm excited to use this. And I feel like the shade is like really good. I might just dab it on my face. That's okay, we're going for more naturalesque today. I just really need it to help me even out my skin because I do soft tan, so my face is always lighter than my skin. Alright, we'll just go in with this C7 Makeup Revolution Concealer and just put like a touch. Like not as much as I would usually do. This is going to be like the most natural look I've done in a long time, you guys. And then I might do a little bit of the cream contouring just to give me some sculpting out without being too over dramatic, and just add a beauty oil to my brush real quick. So there's that, and then we will take our brush and kind of spritz it with some MAC Fix Plus or any setting spray that you have. So we are able to have the dimensions. We have the light and the dark contouring and highlighting. So to set, I'm going to just go in. I'm not going to use a loose powder. I'm just going to go in, I think, with the yellow powder from the Kat Von D palette. And just go in with that powder right underneath my eyes to just kind of gently set. So I don't love baking anyway, as you guys probably know. So we're just going to gently set under the eyes, just to make sure nothing creases in that, but like super gently. Like we're not going in with a whole bunch of powder. As you guys, if you've seen this whole video, I have hardly any makeup on my face. I'm going to take a little bit of that banana yellow powder in the Kat Von D and just go right down the bridge of my nose. Just a touch. So I'll show you guys what I used. I used this new, I don't know if it's new or if it's just new to me, but it was in my Sephora Playbox. It's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint, and it has SPF in it. They sent me this little thing, so it's not sticky, and I haven't set any of my face other than where I just set with the yellow powder. So it's really super basic. I used this, and then I used my Anastasia Cream Contouring Kit to just contour bronze a little bit. But it took me like 5 minutes to do all of that. I might do some brows. Like this was super easy, you guys. I've never been a huge fan of cream contouring because I feel like it's so much harder than regular contouring. I mean, as moms or just as busy people in general, we need easy. We can't do like the 17 steps every day, which is why I don't wear makeup every day. But that was like so easy. I was able to set my lids and set everything so everything's nice and set so it's not going to crease, but at the same time, that was hella easy. Oh my gosh. And I have the contouring and highlighting. I'm like shook, you guys. So shook on how easy that was. So you could go in and kind of set your cream contour and stuff. I'm just going to go in with that middle shade in the Kat Von D and just kind of gently bam, bam. Bam, bam. Like that's it. Just so it doesn't move on you. Especially if you were going to go to the beach or something. You would want to make sure that it's nice and set so it doesn't go anywhere. But that's it. That was really nice to have a full base. I feel super confident in the way my skin is right now. I'm just going to go into this corally shade in this Anastasia palette. This is the shade Coastline. You think I'd remember that because it's like the only shade I've been using recently. Just to put a touch of color right on the cheek. I can't get over my skin, you guys. I'm really excited about how it looks. So maybe I'll just pencil them in just a touch. Alright, so we're going to fill these in a touch, I guess, because I don't have a good brow gel right now, and I don't know if I would feel good about leaving them. I mean, I could. I just feel like they're a little sparse. We may just have to walk away, though. So let's try this Butter London Double Decker. So, we'll use our Ofra in Rodeo Drive, of course, just to give us a little bit of a glow. And then I'm going to add the same highlighter right on the inner corners and my brow bone. I'm going to use that new lip product. All right, so I'm going in with the Milani in the shade Nude. So you just fill in your lips and then put the gloss or the cream color on or something, and it'll last a lot longer. So this is the one from A.D.E.S. or A.D.E.S.I. New York. It's their high definition liquid lipstick. So as I shared yesterday, this is a little more brown than I usually do. I usually go for the more pinky nude and not the brown nude. It doesn't look terrible. It's just a little more brown than I prefer. This is the Urban Decay Gloss, Ultra Gloss, Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss Shine in SPL. So I'm going to put this kind of right in the middle. Okay, so this is really basic, really natural kind of makeup today. We used very few products, I think. I don't know. Maybe not very few products, but we did use, I'm just so shook that I really like this. So I totally recommend this. It's the Ultra HD Makeup Forever Blurring Skin Tint. I am in the shade 08. This came in my Sephora Playbox. I really enjoyed it. This also came in my Sephora Playbox, the Ultra Shine Urban Decay Lip Gloss. I can feel the tingliness, which I love, you guys know. So I am probably going to try this again when I have nothing on, just as to use it by itself to see what I think of it. And I will use all these skincare products and keep you guys posted on how they go. Alright, well, I thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this Sephora Playbox unboxing. So I love doing unboxings. I hope you guys like them too. And I will see you in my video tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye.